Multiply 44 by 37 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 7. 7 times 4 is 28. Put 8 in this column and carry 2. 7 times 4 plus the carried 2 is 30. The first partial product is 308. Now use the tens digit, 3. Start one place to the left. 3 times 4 is 12. Put 2 in this column and carry 1. 3 times 4 plus the carried 1 is 13. The second partial product is 1320. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 8 plus 0 is 8. In the tens column, 0 plus 2 is 2. In the hundreds column, 3 plus 3 is 6. In the thousands column, bring down 1. The whole negative number product is 1628. So 44 times 37 is 1628.